In today's video, I'll show you how to extend your stay on Airbnb if you're loving your getaway and want a few extra days to relax. Extending your stay is usually simple, so let's go through the steps together. First things first, make sure you're logged in to your Airbnb account. It's essential to have your account handy to manage your bookings smoothly. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu icon. Go ahead and give that a click. You'll see an option labeled Trips. This is where you want to head. This section is designed to neatly organize all of your reservations and itineraries, making it super easy to manage any of your current or upcoming bookings. Since I'm using a dummy account for tutorial purposes, I don't have any trips yet. But no worries, because I can still show you how the process looks like through captured images. Now let's find the reservation you're planning to extend. Once you've located the trip you want to modify, click on it to open your reservation details. On this page, you should see an option called Change Reservation. This is where the magic happens. It allows you to adjust your booking dates effortlessly. Select your new desired checkout date from the calendar. It's wise to have a few alternative dates in mind because availability can change quickly, especially if you're staying in a popular destination. After you've chosen your new dates, the next step is to scroll down and click on Send Request. By doing this, you're notifying the host that you'd like to extend your stay, but remember that the host will need to approve this change. Hosts often appreciate a little bit of advance notice, so planning ahead can really help in getting your request approved. Be patient as you wait for the host's response. A little planning usually improves your chances of success. Once your extension request has been approved, you'll receive a confirmation from Airbnb. This will come either via email or an app notification, so keep an eye on both. Double-check all the details on this confirmation to ensure everything aligns with your plans, from the dates to any price adjustments that may occur. And that's it. You've successfully extended your stay and can now look forward to enjoying those extra days in your favorite destination. A bit of preparation and a few clicks are all it takes to make the most of your time away. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful Airbnb tips and tricks. Enjoy your extended stay and make the most of those extra moments to relax and recharge.